Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. I wasn't going to do another video, and then somebody asked me, how would you do it with text to path here? And you really can't just do it with the tree itself. I wouldn't think I haven't tried it, because you're going to get it's all going to be all over the page. So how do you do it? And if you're going to do all the lines, you could do this for all the lines at one time, but we're only going to do it for one line. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of this guy and move it over. And then let's say I'm going to put the name Leah right here in this spot. I'm going to take my 2-point line and I am going to draw a line there and there. Then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete everything above it and below it. Now this is why you'd want to maybe do all the lines at one time. And then all we have is our two little lines that we made, and you can very easily select them and delete them. So now you have the shape of that part of the word, and go to text to path. And whenever you see this happening, just back up. Let's zoom in here so you can see it. Grab your shape tool, and the arrow's going right to left, and it needs to go left to right. So just select them both and reverse subpath. And then this will go perfectly. Text to path, and you could put it anywhere on that curve to give you whatever effect you want. Then you could do a number of things. You need to go to object and break the text apart. And then ever so slightly, remember your 12 nudge factor, let's move it 0.01 down. And then you don't have to do anything, and then remove our line. And then put your nudge back on 12 and nudge it over. And then all you have to do is weld it. It looks pretty cool with that, kind of like I did with the envelope tool. Let me zoom in here. It kind of conforms, more to the shape of the tree. So that might be a way to do it, but I'd have all your names ready and do it all at one time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.